If you're looking for new opportunities, you are definitely in the right place. I have hot jobs that are hiring right now. I've got remote customer service, data entry, and support roles you don't want to miss. Make sure you stay until the end because the last job might be the job that you're waiting for. Our first role comes from New Motion as a customer care reorder representative. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. So what you will do in this role, you will process customer reorder requests, you will handle insurance-related issues, resolve escalated concerns, you will help ensure customers receive their medical supplies and services. For this role, the salary does start at $17, ending at $23, which all depends on your location and experience. So for this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see 3 years of insurance eligibility verification. They will also like for you to have knowledge of Medicare, Medicaid, and private insurance. This is a great opportunity for someone with healthcare insurance eligibility, reimbursement, or medical billing experience looking for a remote role. So if you're interested in the customer care reorder representative with New Motion, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from LabCorp as a customer service support representative. This is a full-time remote role. So what you will do in this position, you will support healthcare clients by answering questions, researching issues, as well as processing supply orders, documenting those requests, resolving customer concerns through phone and email. For this role, it is Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. You must have a high school diploma or GED and 2 or more years of customer service experience. For this role, again, it is fully remote within the United States. The application does close on August the 21st. The pay range is $20, ending at $22, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is a great fit for someone with customer service experience who wants to transition into the remote healthcare support role. So if you're interested in the customer support with LabCorp, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from ShareCare as a customer service representative. This is a full-time remote role. So what you will do in this position is handle inbound calls and emails. You will assist members and providers, enter and document information, as well as resolve routine issues and explain program benefits. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see prior customer service experience, which is preferred. It is not required. And they will also like to see knowledge with medical records and some HIPAA. For this role, you must have strong computer and communication skills. This is a great fit for someone with customer service and medical records experience who want a fully remote healthcare support role. So if you're interested in the customer service representative with ShareCare, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from U.S. Bank as a call center collector. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. So what you will do in this role is contact customers about delinquent accounts. You will collect payments, review account information. You will also handle correspondence and arrange payment repayment plans. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see 2 to 3 years of collections or customer service experience. For this role, the salary does start at $20, ending at $22, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is a solid remote opportunity for experienced customer service or collection professionals. You must apply by August the 17th or the application will close. So if you're interested in the call center collector with U.S. Bank, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Help at Home as a scheduling specialist. This is a full-time remote position from anywhere within the United States. So no matter where you are, you can apply. So what you would do in this role, you will schedule caregivers for client shifts, update schedules, handle cancellations, coverage issues, communicate with clients and caregivers, and maintain accurate records. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED, 2 years of experience, including home care scheduling experience. They will also like to see Excel and scheduling software skills, which are preferred. So this is a phone-heavy role. You will have frequent communication with clients and caregivers. So for this role, The salary does start at $19, ending at $20, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is a great fit for someone who's organized, detail-oriented, and experienced in home healthcare scheduling. So if you're interested in the scheduling specialist with help at home, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from HealthMart Group as a medical records processing specialist. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. The salary range starts at $15, ending at $16, which all depends on your location and experience, and this is a entry-level role. So what you will do in this position is process medical records requests, monitoring incoming requests, maintain accurate records, and meet 24 to 48 hour processing deadlines. Again, this is an entry-level job, so what you would need is a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see someone who has experience in customer service or in a call center environment. So again, if you are interested in this entry-level processing medical records position with HealthMark, the link is in the description to apply. Our last role comes from Humana as a care management support assistant. This is a full-time remote position nationwide, so again, no matter where you are, you can apply. The shift for this role is 11:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So what you will do, you will make inbound and outbound calls with members. You will complete non-clinical assessments and questionnaires. You will help members schedule appointments and access healthcare resources, as well as identify barriers to care and assist with benefit services. You will also document member information accurately across multiple systems. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see experience in a high volume inbound outbound call center. You must be comfortable using computer systems and applications, and you must have a dedicated workspace for protecting HIPAA information. For this role, the salary does start at $40,000 ending at $52,000, which all depends on your location and experience. So training will be 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the first 2 weeks with no time off. So this is a great fit for someone with customer service or call center experience who wants to transition into that healthcare support. So if you are interested in the care management support assistant with Humana, the link is in the description to apply. All right, folks, that's it for today's job leads. If one of these roles fit what you have been looking for, don't sit on it. Remote jobs like this move fast, and the best ones get filled quickly. Tap in, apply smart, and I will catch you in the next video drop. Thank you for watching.